How to lower graphics in Horror Tale 2. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lower the graphics. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in this settings interface. Here on the second option, you can see graphics. Now on the bottom, you can see this drop down button to tap on this drop down button. Here there are three mediums: low, medium and high. Simply tap on low. Now if you go back, it will all be set. So if you keep the graphics to low, there won't be any lag. The game will run very smoothly, but even though graphics might be poor, you can enjoy the gameplay without any lags and freely play the game. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.